Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another 6-element install video. Today we're going to be showing you how to install your Stinger dual catch can kits. And as always, you're going to be removing the engine cover first, followed by the breather from the intake. Now once you've got that off, you're going to go around to the back of the valve cover where the breather is attached to on the other side. And once you've got that off, go ahead and go to the front of the car and remove the bracket that the breather is attached to and remove it from the car completely. Now once you've done that, go ahead and attach a 1/2-inch hose connector to one side of this hose here and tuck it out of the way. Now once you've got that hose tucked, it's time to attach the bracket that's going to hold in your new 1/2-inch hoses. After that, you're going to be taking off the PCV hose and removing it. Next, you're going to be removing this bolt, which is where you're going to be mounting the new catch can kit. Now you're going to be installing your new oil feed line. And once you've got the lines installed, you're going to be cutting it where we did, as you can see there, and now the check valve has an arrow that needs to be facing away from the can. And now, once you've finished that, that would be the end to the single catch can kit install for the Stinger. And because we have the dual, we have a few more of the hoses to connect. And when you route the hoses around the front of the engine, you're going to be using that bracket, which will keep the hoses away from any moving parts. Then you can take the hose, which we had inserted the 1/2-inch hose connector in before, and connect it with that hose there. Now go ahead and install your hose bracket cover. Now once you've got that installed, you can go ahead and reattach your engine cover, and that's the end of the install. For more information on our parts, you can click on that link that just appeared on the top right hand corner of the screen, and that's going to be it for this install, and we will see you guys in the next video.